Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. Let's quickly have a look at what's going on in the cryptocurrency. Here we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently at around 67,000 US dollars. We're talking about nearly approaching the previous all-time high, which happened a few weeks ago, actually, before the Bitcoin halving. And currently we're having the trajectory of going towards that target once more. And then we can have a look at what's going on beyond the 73,000 US dollars, which is the all-time high. Well, as you see here in the whole market, you will find that currently we're talking about Fear and Greed Index showing 60 greed index, meaning that many people are excited about the market, are interested in investing in cryptocurrency. And we're talking also about a Bitcoin dominance of 50. Where am I? Here am I. Bitcoin dominance of around 52%. 52% meaning that Bitcoin is more than half the whole entire crypto space. And that's a huge deal because currently Bitcoin is approaching also a new all-time high for market cap. This will trigger a whole kind of new investments and new trust coming into Bitcoin, and then we will have a completely new territory for Bitcoin price. In my own humble experience and in my own humble analysis, of course, I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own due diligence, manage your own risks, but I do believe that we're currently heading towards 100K for Bitcoin within the next few weeks/months or so, probably within summer, maybe, I don't know. But after the 100K, we will have a huge dip, because 100K will be the point where many people will just take profit. Many people will just, it's a big psychological barrier for Bitcoin. It's a huge number. It's a huge deal. No other asset went from few pennies to 100K in a matter of 1 decade. So you can understand the magnitude of just hitting 100K USD, of course, for Bitcoin. After having a little bit of retracement at 100K, we can have a little bit of instability for the market, and then after this instability we can have some picking up again, and then we can go to a completely new territory. Between 100K and 140K seems feasible for Bitcoin, but we need to be a bit careful. And of course, if you're trading with leverage, then you would need to maybe just put a strict strategy, a strict risk management strategy in place, and understand what you're doing. Put your stop losses, put your take profits targets, and you will need to be flexible around the market condition, because the market will be very, very volatile with that range. And at 100K, if an asset is at 100K, 10% is 10K. 10K is, for at least many people, just a huge deal. So imagine losing multiple 10Ks with one trade. So you need to be a bit careful, and you need also to know what you're doing, and probably just holding Bitcoin for the long term. That's the best option, but that's not really the riskiest one. The riskiest one, of course, is just trading with leverage. High risk, high reward, but if it goes wrong, it goes wrong. So yeah, I will be updating you whenever something else happens on the market, and see you next time. Bye bye.